midsection again. What a night it's been. Finding out the Macho Man and Hogan will have to go to Nitro, and they have not been able to coexist, but they must face Sting, and a man will see Lex Luger, who will face Ric Flair here on this program.
He just folded Glacier like a lawn chair. I got a hunch he's going to melt this Glacier right now.
Got him up. Jackhammer time. Look, one arm.
Oh! Just another snow cone now. Well, Glacier may have looked at the videotapes, may have laid out a game plan, and may have thought that he was going to be the guy to hang that loss on Goldberg. Well, think again.
The fans love it here.
Is he impressive?
Another chapter in the legend that's becoming Goldberg.